Hello guys, my name is Chef Ken.
Chef Jewel.
Yes, today we are making
Cupcakes.
Yes, today we are making cupcakes. We are excited. This is the Kids Can Cook kitchen. Yes. Are you excited?
Yes.
Do you love cupcakes?
Yes.
So we have our ingredients for making the cupcakes. What's this?
Margarine.
Margarine, yes.
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Powder.
This is flour.
Flour.
Yes.
Milk.
Vanilla, yeah. So those are our ingredients, and this
Baking powder.
baking powder, yeah. So we'll start by mixing the margarine and sugar. Margarine and
Sugar.
yeah. Mix, mix, mix. Cream, cream, cream. Okay. Yes. First, we start by mixing the sugar and margarine. This method is the creaming method. Creaming. Okay, you can help me mix. Yes, good. Yeah. Mix, mix, mix. Yes, maybe I can help you mix. Let me see. After everything is combined, what do we add? Eggs. What do we add?
Egg.
You add the eggs one by one as you cream. Yes. So it's very well combined. It looks creamy. It looks very creamy and no sugar particles. Okay?
Okay.
You cannot see or feel any sugar particles. Jewel, are you ready to crack in the egg?
Yes.
Okay. Good. Here. You add the eggs one by one. Okay. Thank you. Also, you continue mixing and creaming. Mixing and after the egg is dissolved into the cream, you add the other egg. Okay, you see now you can't see the egg, it's creamed in as you're mixing. Jewel is gonna break the wheat. Add it in. Very nice. So cream, 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 cream. Now on this we can use the whisk. Okay, Jewel, I use the whisk. Stir to get stir. Good. Round and round, clockwise. Okay. Round and yes, nice. Good job. Good job. Good job. Jewel, whisk. Nice. we will add, what's this?
Vanilla.
Vanilla for flavor. For ever smell? It's yummy. So whisk, mix together, yeah. Nice. As you can see, we have a consistent solution. Here are our all wet ingredients we mixed in one bowl. Yes, the consistency, as you can see.
Thank you.
Next step is milk. Okay. Bit by bit. Our solution is ready, all the wet ingredients. Now we'll mix the dry ingredients. Dry. We have our flour and we have baking
Powder.
You can use flour and baking powder or use self-raising. We'll add our baking powder into the flour, then mix the baking powder. We'll add our flour into this, okay? But now we'll sieve the flour for aeration, because when you sieve the flour, or if there is any particles, it won't get into your cake, okay? So yes, bit by bit as you mix, Jewel, mix. Very nice. As you can see, our consistency is becoming thick. Use a scraper to scrape off the sides. Yes, the sides, so you fold in, okay? Don't overmix, just fold in. Guys, for color, we will add some sprinkles into our cake or cupcake batter. A lot, just put a lot like this. Yes, nice. As you can see. You will put some sprinkles. Add more. Up. We have our sprinkle cupcakes. No, that is enough. Can you taste the sprinkles? Very yummy. Very
Yummy.
yeah. Our mixture, the butter is ready. As you can see, the consistency is very good. Check. Do you have a good consistency, Chef Jewel? Do you think we'll make good cupcakes?
Yes.
Okay.
And it will be colorful.
It will be colorful. Wow. Inside, because of the sprinkles, they will melt. Okay. Now, guys, we have our cupcake cases. Jewel is going to choose which cupcake case she wants. We have the love ones, strawberry, love, rainbow. So which do you want? Or we three of different colors?
Yeah.
Okay. So do it. Three. Okay. Love. Nice. Now we'll fill our cupcake mixture or cake mixture into the cupcake cases. Jewel, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to fill in?
Yes.
This is what we'll do. You scoop using a spoon. Okay. A little. Then in. full spoon. Nice. Wait, let me get the tray closer. You fill the cupcake cases halfway. Don't overfill because it will spill over. I think the batter that we made can make how many cupcakes? Jewel, can you count for me how many cupcakes we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Oh, so we're gonna have how many cupcakes?
12.
12 cupcakes. Wow. And we are done. And we are. What's the next step? We put our cupcakes in the oven. Okay. Put our cupcakes in the oven. So if the excess flour, you wipe the tray. Make sure the tray is clean. So one thing you can do is tap the tray on the table to balance the cupcakes. Okay, our mixture is ready. We preheated our oven for 10 minutes. Jewel, cupcakes how many minutes? 25 minutes. Temperature 180 to 190. We already preheated our oven. In goes our cupcakes. In goes our we wait for 25 minutes and our cupcakes will be ready. But keep looking. After 10 to 15 minutes we'll come back and see what's going on. Okay? Yes. Are you excited? After 25 minutes our cupcakes are ready. So we want to check if our cupcakes are. Jewel, what do? You leave the skewer. It comes out clean. The cupcakes are ready. We wait for our cupcakes to cool because we do not eat hot cupcakes. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Do you like our cupcakes?
Yes.
Yes. They are very